Hello guys! Welcome to Bar and Bridge YouTube channel. Bago po tayo magsimula, huwag niyo pong kalimutang i-click ang like and subscribe buttons sa inyong mga screen. Ngayon po, magluluto tayo ng Charsiu or Chinese barbecue. Napaka-juicy and soft po ng ating Charsiu and delicious. And napaka-easy lang gawin. Mapapa-only rice kayo sa ating Charsiu or Chinese barbecue. Pwede po tayong gumamit ng pork ribs or pork neck or pork belly or chicken wings. So, una po, alisin po natin yung white part ng ating pork ribs. Ayan po. Remove the white part. After po natin ma-remove, wash, clean, and dry using kitchen tissue. Kailangan po dry. We need to dry the pork ribs after washing. And then put all ingredients together. Pagsama-samahin po natin lahat ng ingredients natin. Yung po mga ingredients nasa bandang huli po ng ating video. And then marinate po natin for at least 6 hours. Pero mas okay if overnight, if you marinate overnight. After you marinate for overnight or 6 hours, pwede na nating i-bake. Ayan pa. Bale, yung back part muna yung ating i-bake. Ready to bake. So let's preheat oven for 10 minutes and then bake each sides for 30 minutes at 210 degrees Celsius. So after po natin ma-bake for 30 minutes each sides, alisin po natin sa oven, remove in the oven, and then mix 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of Charsiu sauce. Kung wala po kayong Charsiu, you can use ketchup. Ayan, mix po natin. Then, i-brush natin sa top ng ating baked Charsiu. And then, i-bake again natin. Bake again for 10 minutes and brush on top para mas reddish yung ating Charsiu. Then put back to oven and bake for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, already done, and you can enjoy your Charsiu or Chinese barbecue. Ayan na ang ating Charsiu. You can use pork ribs, pork neck, or pork belly, or chicken wings, or whole chicken. Ito po yung ating mga ingredients. Kung wala pong Charsiu sa inyong lugar, pwede pong ketchup and add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more video. Bye-bye.